ton change out here where we're going to flush the line set. Look at that neat maple tree. Or it's just sick. Must be off of that one there. Anyway, I've seen a lot of movement here. Frogs everywhere. Just walking in on this job. Looks like we got a little swamp back there. Those are so cool. It looks like something's spilling out of them. Got Corey in here doing the inside today. Got him a new door. He's cutting his rails, getting them mounted up. Looks like he knows what he's doing in here. He's leaving a small rail on the right so we can get all our airflow into this little hole in the end coil. He's got that little 1/2-inch rail there. And looking good. And showed up, keeping an eye on me, making sure I'm doing things right. Yeah, he's just chilling. He said everything looks good though. Yep. Anyway, I got this soldered up out here, and we are going to head inside and see what Corey's doing. She's all tuned up here. Looks like this has been a chronic leaker over the years. So, new AC. What's today? 21st maybe? 8/22, 2020. No, it's the 21st for sure, because yesterday was 21, or 8/20/2020. Corey did a nice job in here. Got the venting back together without having to put any offsets in it, so that's good. It's all tight. Tight. We dropped the fan speed off a high. It's a 3-ton blower, so we went to whichever medium tap wasn't being used. One of them was on heat. We put the other one on cool. As long as our suction pressure is good, we should be good. Upside down? Or was he upside down before?
No, he was never upside down.
Well, he's red on this side. He wasn't red before.
That's his top.
Are you sure?
Yeah, positive.
Well, he was upside down then, because he wasn't red before.
Grab him.
He was always red?
He's black on the bottom, I think. Come here, baby.
Yeah, he's not. Something's wrong with him.
He can't fly.
No.
Well, he is black on the bottom.
You want?
My poor guy.
You poor thing.
He can't even fly.
Let's light him up. What's wrong with him?
Is he missing wings?
He doesn't look like it. He's got a brain disorder.
There you go. Come on. The wind took him.
The wind took him. Now he's stuck in the... Oh, jeez.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. He's in the grass fine, but something's not right. I can't get... It's not zooming in.
Take him.